Hello and welcome to another installation of jumping, and this time with running as well. So let me introduce you to the characters. We have our well-known cat as the main character. We also have a simple background backdrop from the library as well. So we're going to go back to the character. We're going to go to the script. So what do we have here? So when we click the green flag, we will be pointing on the right direction. That's 90. And we're going to be setting the speed to 0, so there's no movement. We have a forever loop with 2 ifs to set the movement. So the right arrow is pressed, then we point in the right direction and we set speed, increase speed by 1. So the more we press, here we go, the faster we go. The more we press, the faster we go. That's the left, same script as before, just for the left. And then what we do here is that we set the speed to decrease a little bit, to multiply by 0.9. Which means that when we stop pressing, we don't automatically stop, but we just gradually stop, as we can see, gradually stop. We have got 2 main variables here. We have speed and gravity, which we created, and now we have the jumping script. Very similar to the one before. When we do the up arrow, it will jump. There it goes. Up arrow jumps and glides down. The gravity decreases. We wait a tiny bit of time, and it carries on down until it touches the brown color of the ground. Gravity decreases. Eventually, the cat stops when it falls to the ground. This last bit here of the script is just simply the setup for the beginning. So it shows the sprite, it sets gravity to 0, and we simply set the y coordinate to gravity, just a little link there. And that's it. Now we can run this one. If you look, we can run and jump as well. We can run and jump. There we go. Nice running and jumping. If I stop touching the right arrow, we just simply jump almost vertically. There we go. And that's it. Let's show you the script again. So that's the first part, just moving left and right and slowing down. And we have the jumping and the initial setup for the variables. That is it. So, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you are progressing well with the games.